I picked up a Hero 7 Black Edition this week. The trails are still really wet here, but Flat Rock Ranch in Comfort, Texas was dry enough to ride, so I drove 70 miles after work to give this camera a try. Let me warn you now, I've been spoiled by Rylo's ability to reframe the shot later. I quickly found out that pointing the GoPro in the exact right spot is hard. It changes when you get off the saddle and stand up. That could also be a big issue for me. I can't be adjusting the camera every time I get up off the saddle. I was able to get some comparison shots between the Hero 7 and the Rylo on a chunky section to see how the stabilization does. The Hero 7 stabilization is impressive, but something's still a little off. Hopefully I can go out on another ride with this soon, without having to drive so far. I would really like to try different options on the camera, like Superview, maybe that'll help with my framing issues, but for now the Rylo seems to be the king of stabilization with no gimbal. I was kinda hoping the Hero 7 would be a better option because when I get home after a ride, all I have to do is copy the files off the camera and it's ready to edit. Currently with Rylo I have to do a lot of exporting, and it just takes a good hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on how much video I have. So I'm a little disappointed so far, but I'll keep trying to see if I can work this out, and I'm interested to hear what you guys think. Is the loss of stabilization worth the higher resolution, or is stabilization far more important to you? Let me know in the comments.
Hopefully I can get another video out on this soon.
But for now, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Okay, I guess the trail ends here.